Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to delete blank cells in a column in Excel. I'll show you this on Windows, but the steps are basically the same on Mac too. First, select the column or specific range where you want to remove blank cells. Click and drag over the cells to highlight them. If you've got a big spreadsheet, you can quickly select everything with data by clicking the upper left cell and pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus End. That extends the selection to the last used cell. Once you've got your range selected, you'll see it highlighted with a blue border. Now press F5 on your keyboard. This opens the Go To dialog box in the center of your screen. You can also get here by pressing Ctrl plus G if F5 doesn't work on your keyboard. In the Go To dialog box, look for the Special button down in the bottom left corner and click it. This opens the Go To Special dialog box with a bunch of selection options. In that list of options, click the radio button next to blanks. Once you click it, you'll see the radio button fill in to show it's selected. Now click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. Excel will now highlight all the empty cells in your selected range. They'll appear with a light gray selection background. Every blank cell you had is now selected at the same time. Right-click on any of those highlighted blank cells. A context menu pops up at your cursor with a list of options. From that menu, click Delete. This opens a Delete dialog box that asks how you want to shift the remaining cells. In the Delete dialog box, select the Shift Cells Up radio button. You'll see it become selected. This tells Excel to move all the non-blank cells up and remove the gaps. Finally, click OK. Excel removes all the highlighted blank cells and shifts your data up to fill the spaces. Your column is now continuous with no gaps. If you made a mistake or deleted something you didn't mean to, immediately press Ctrl plus Z to undo and get your data back. The other thing to watch for, this only works on the range you selected at the start, so if you have blanks elsewhere in the sheet, they won't be affected. Also, if you're doing this with a row instead of a column, you'd choose Shift Cells Left instead of Up in that Delete dialog box. And that's how to delete blank cells in a column in Excel. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.